Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. All are equal in the eyes of God. All are equally qualified to chant the name of God. These are the words from a saint 1,000 years ago. Bhagavat Sri Ramanujacharya is the saint from the 11th century who believed that everyone is equal in the eyes of God. He advocated against all disparities in the society, and he embraced, practiced, and promoted equality for all. He is revered worldwide as a Vedic philosopher and a social reformer who believed in Manava Seve, Madhava Seva, which means if you serve the mankind, it is equivalent to serving the Almighty Himself. Even after 1,000 years, Sri Ramanujacharya's preachings of equality and unity are very much relevant in the current world, grappled with social, economic, and cultural inequalities and disparities at every level. So, to commemorate the 1000th birth anniversary of Sri Ramanujacharya, a wonder has been unveiled today, the Statue of Equality. This is the vision of Sri Chinna Jeeyar Swamiji to revive the concept of equality in the world and send a message of unity for generations to come. At 216 feet, this is among the tallest metallic statues in sitting position in the world. The Statue of Equality is located in a 45-acre complex on the outskirts of Hyderabad, Telangana, in India. And this 1,000 crore project was funded entirely by donations from devotees globally. The Statue of Equality is a spectacular architectural wonder with advanced technologies and robotics. The statue is made up of panchaloha, 5 metals: gold, silver, copper, brass, and zinc. The statue is surrounded by 108 Divyadesams, model temples, resembling temples from all across India, from Himalayas to Kanyakumari, with stunning architectural wonders and ancient sculptures all around. The statue was inaugurated today by Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji as a part of the 12-day Sri Ramanuja Sahasrabdi Samaroham, the ongoing 1000th birth anniversary celebrations of Sri Ramanujacharya.
शिथिलाश्च भीताः घोरेषु च व्याधिषु वर्तमानाः
संकीर्त्य नारायण शब्दमात्रं विमुक्तदुःखाः सुखिनो भवन्ति.
दिव्य देश है सारे जगत के, विद्यमान यह चारों ओर, स्फूर्ति बने ये रामानुज की भई समता की भोर. मांग है यही अब समता की हम रामानुज से पाएंगे. समता का यह संदेश लेकर सारे जगत को अपना लें, सबका सहयोग लेते चलें, आसमान तक बढ़ जाए.
As wonderfully said by Swamiji, let the statue reverberate within you, echoes of equality. Let these echoes become a yearning for equality. Let this yearning get translated into actions leading to equality. magnificent monument representing equality of all will stand tall, giving a message of Vasudhaika Kutumbam, universe as one family.
Vishnavi Sarva Jishnavi